I'm here at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, and this is the Fountain View room. The view from the 69th floor, which is one of the highest floors you can have. I believe the hotel only goes up to 75 floors, so this is almost the highest room you can have. And so right down there you can see the iconic Bellagio fountains, but it's past midnight, so the fountain show has ended. But I will cut in some fountain footage from this exact same view at the end of the video. But you want to get one of these super high floors because that's when you get the entire view of everything. You can see the Rio over there in the corner. Of course, you can see the Bellagio. You can see all the way down the strip to Treasure Island and the Trump Towers. And you can even see the top of the Strat building. Of course, you see the Eiffel Tower. And because this floor is so high, you even see the Sphere. And that's really, really cool because you see it changing all the time. And I've actually had the same room on the 23rd floor, and you can't see the Sphere. You can't see the Rio or anything over there, and you really can't see the entire strip or anything. So if you are gonna get this room, the Fountain View room at the Cosmopolitan, make sure you get a really high floor over 60 if you want to be able to see the Sphere. And also in the daytime you can actually see all of the mountains, which is something you really can't see with the lower floors because you're blocked off by the Bellagio and the Paris hotel right there, and you really can't see much. But in the daytime you can actually see the entire Nevada desert in a sense, or at least enough of the Nevada desert. I will actually cut in that footage as well, and also I'll cut in the full fountain show from this angle as well. And lastly, as a bonus, I'll even cut in the view from the 23rd floor so you can see what happens if you get a much lower floor. And if you're paying for this room, believe me, you want to make sure that you get one of these high floors because there's no additional charge for being on one of these floors, and this is the view that you want. So this is the view from the 69th floor of the Cosmopolitan in the daytime. You can see the Strat, you can see all of the mountains in the distance right over there. You can still have the exact same view as in the nighttime, except now you can see all the mechanisms for how the fountain actually works, which is awesome. You can see the top of the Paris globe there, and you can see the Eiffel Tower, of course, and you can still see way down the street. So still a great view in the daytime as well.